Hey everybody, GeoDroid John here. I know this isn't my normal thing, but I picked up this little 5-in-1, 3-in-1 mobile video kit. Kind of helped me with some video recording and stuff that I will be doing on my channel. This is the Poser Snap mobile photo video kit. Complete 6-piece 3-in-1 lens kit. Got a tripod. It's got 3 different types of lenses, a clip, and a remote that actually connects to your phone. And you can actually start recording when you use it, and a light. So I picked this up to hopefully help me out with some video recording I do for 3D printing. So let's do a quick review because I wasn't able to find any good reviews really that explain exactly how this whole thing works. I've already unboxed it, but I just want to go ahead and pull it out and show you what the packaging looked like. Pretty much comes with a standard blister kit right off the top, very easy. A very simple tripod right here. It's got a screw post, so you can use anything that has a screw post on it, and a pretty cheap plastic feeling on the inside, but it just still works somehow. Snaps that right back in, secures down pretty good. Not the best tripod. You can, if you have a Gorilla Pod or whatever, you can probably use the same type of tripod for that. Set that aside. Here's the mount, the cell phone clip that you actually use. What I'm using right now, what I have been using was this really not bad stand, but this was not very good. You can see the spring pops out on this, so that's the whole reason for me buying a new one. So it looks like this just mounts right onto here. Go ahead and tighten that down a little bit. So when you're on the road, it's nice to have a little setup you can use to record if you need to record. Comes with a power cord for the light, and here is the light right here. LED, it charges up, and then you can you got low, medium, and high settings, and here's the on and off. So let's go with the low setting. Turn that on. It's low, medium, and high. Very, very bright. Turn that off. Now I can't see anything. We have some lenses here. Let me see. This is the super wide lens, and it comes packed with the 15x macro lens on top of it. These kind of like screw on together. This is the fish eye lens, 198-degree field of vision. I don't really have a purpose for that, so I'm just going to go ahead and take that off now. I really won't be using that. So these screw right into the clip itself. I didn't know how to use these before, so I was like jamming them in between. So this should be the wide field of view, and the whole point is that these clip onto your phone. So let's go ahead and put these accessories on here. Unlock my phone here. Open up the camera app, and let's flip it around so we can see what we're doing. Hey guys, go ahead and put that on there. You can see how it widens up. You got to kind of mess with it a little bit, kind of clean it, maybe pull it up here. Very cool, right? So there it is. Makes me look even bigger than I am. But if you clean the lens, you can see some smudges on there, and then tap on it. Oh, it's not too bad. There we go. Go ahead and take that off. Flip that back around. Hey, bye. Let's go back to camera. Flip that around. We got the light here, and let's turn that on. So this doesn't have to be in the device to actually make the next part work, I don't think, because the next part actually, let's go ahead and just mount this up here. If you go back and look at my older videos, they say, oh yeah, you should print a tripod for your 3D printer because it's so bad. So I'll put a link in the description of that video right there. It's one of my first videos. So let's pull up Bluetooth. Bluetooth is already open. It took me a minute to figure out how this worked. I thought you could just press the button and it would work if this was connected, but this has nothing to do with that. So you see, I've already paired it. When you turn it on, is the battery already dead? I might have killed the battery by leaving it on. Here you go. Oh, you push the button. It's connected now. Okay. So when you turn it on, the blue light comes on and it flashes. It's looking for your phone. So you actually have to turn Bluetooth on to make this work. I did not know that when I got it. I was like trying to make it work. So when you press the button, I think it doesn't matter which one you push, but you can go in your settings and actually set it up to record a video. See, it's recording video. You press it again, it'll stop. There's two buttons. One says for Android and the other one says for iOS, but both of them work just the same. Now what it does when you push the button, you have to set up in your settings. So that's it. It works pretty good. I'm gonna see how the video quality looks. The way this mounts, it's kind of wonky. I mean, it barely gets to my lens on the other side. I might be using the macro lens when I do 3D prints. I'm going to show the quality of the part. You actually be able to see the quality of the part very, very closely. Let's see. Take off the lens real quick. I took off the actual lens, and then we'll put this one up there really close. It's almost like a microscope. You can actually see the fingerprints very closely. So the macro lens works pretty good. The wide lens works pretty good. But it's overall, I would say, worth the price at $22. Go ahead and pick it up if you don't have something else more advanced. So it's a good product. I kind of recommend it. If I find it on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description. That'll be an affiliate link. Please use that if you want to purchase it. All right. Thank you guys so much. Out.